Okay, so I had some people asking me to do a video about having AC power in my 2016 Toyota Tundra. Yes, I came up with that myself. Okay, so what I did is I installed a 4,000 watt inverter, and I know that that's a lot. I didn't know what I was doing at the time, so I went more than I thought I would need. But the switch to turn it on is right here. It's directly hooked up to battery. So that's the front of the inverter there. And then it's underneath, obviously, the driver's seat. I had them point the fan back towards the back because there's a lot of room right here. So if I go back over to the front, you will see, oh, it's tough to see. That's where the switch originally was. So they took that switch out, wired it up, put it into this knockout here on the dash, and then the plugs, they epoxied right there. So I've got two plugs in the back. I could switch this out for USB if I wanted to, but I decided just to leave it for now. But these things are solid. I mean, they're not going anywhere. They epoxied them and did everything they need to do to get that done. So I didn't do this myself because I just didn't have the time and didn't want to. But it is extremely convenient being able to run laptops and stuff while we're driving. If I'm driving, my wife can work, and we could run a refrigerator if we wanted to, but before I did that, I would get a better battery. Anyhow, so there you go. That's my inverter in my truck.